Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail photo and the title of this video, I received 11 trash bags of purses for free. I posted, as I've been doing, just posting in a whole bunch of local apps, Facebook, etc. And a woman reached out to me and her daughter moved out of state. They cleaned out her house and she was a shopaholic and she had quite the purse collection. The woman that I got the purses from, she also was inspired to clean out her collection and then also her daughter. So I have 3 people's collection of purses here. This is going to be a 3-part series because there's just so much. I'm probably going to do about 3 to 4 bags per video. And I'm also not going to be listing all of this. It's just way too much for me to handle. I don't even have like storage space to store it and wait for it to sell. So after I'm done filming all of these videos, I'm going to be putting together some boxes for sale. And I'm going to film myself packing the box so that they're not mystery. I don't like the whole idea of the whole mystery thing, especially certain things that happened to me purchasing some of them recently. I don't stand for that, so I'm not going to do that. So yeah, let's just get started. This is going to be a long video. So the first bag I have here is actually in an IKEA bag because some of the bags were overflowing, so I just put it in here. From what I can see, it looks like it's a lot of Vera Bradley. So yeah, we've got a Vera Bradley like crossbody bag. Just gonna throw them over there. And I also don't know what's in them. Okay, so this one is also a Vera Bradley. This one is a black, like shoulder quilted type of bag. Another Vera Bradley. Pretty sure like half of this is Vera Bradley though, because I can see through the bags. Okay, this one's actually kind of cute. It's like a shoulder bag, but I don't know, I like the print of it, and actually it is brand new with tags. So they didn't even use it. What's this one? Okay, so this one kind of looks similar to that one as far as style. They're in good condition too. Like I don't see anything wrong. This one just has like a little bit of dirt right here, but nothing crazy. Okay. Another one that's brand new with tags. This is like a tote bag. How much do these even retail? Like I'm clueless when it comes to bags. To be honest, I don't even look at them in the thrift store. I used to. I always wanted to find them, but I never find good bags, so I just like gave up. So this retailed for $68. Oh, and it also has like the name of what it is, so that's cool. I wonder if like the tags inside them say what they are, because I know some people were like telling me to look out for certain prints with them, but like I said, I'm pretty clueless. I don't really know much about them. This one's interesting. So this one's also Vera Bradley, but it's like a more relaxed like print. It's not a crazy print. This feels like it's suede. Wonder if it is, but I don't see any like material contents tag. It smells brand new. Weird, I'm over here smelling purses. Okay, so there's that one. Here's another, this looks like it's like a crossbody. The prints are cute though. Okay, so this has a doesn't say the like print names or anything, so I don't know what they are, but oh well. Alright, here's another one. Okay, this one's also brand new. This one is the Mandy Wildflower Garden. It retailed for $70. This is a pretty bag. And the label looks different from the other ones. This one's like a black. I wonder if this one's like more like a newer style. It just looks, it looks more current compared to the other ones. And then we've got another, oh, this one has like a pouch in it. This one's cool. Just basic Vera Bradley bags. Okay. This, she just gave to me like this. It's brand new. I don't know what it is. Okay. I don't want to like take it all apart, but it's any brand. Oh, okay. This is a the Livinger bag. I showed one of these in my Instagram stories, and somebody said that these are really expensive and they sell for a lot on eBay. But I don't want to like take it all apart. I guess I'll just take these off so I can show like what the bag looks like. But it's like a tote carry-on type of bag. I feel like you can put like your laptop and stuff in it. This is really nice. Wow. I'm like really shocked at like some like, hey, she must have really been a shopaholic considering how many of these are new. This is crazy. I want to keep that one. Nice. All right. Next, I have a trash bag. So we have another bag that's in like packaging that's brand new. This is interesting. It has like a cat on it. And there's books, like a library, and an owl. The little brown mouse, it says, cat to 9 tails. I don't know. It's very interesting. What is this? It also comes with like a strap. I'm trying to read what this is. The Bradford Exchange. I don't know what that is, but it is a brand new cat bag, so I'm sure somebody would probably want that. Okay. We have a like crossbody type of bag that has like this really pretty floral print. Let's see, what is it? I don't know what this is. Paper chase? I'll show you guys what it looks like. I don't know what that is, but it's cute. It's definitely like a big bag, so don't know how you, okay. So it has like butterflies and flowers on it. So this is a like little tiny handbag, and it has a D on it. Oh, this is a vintage Wilson's leather. It does have some like yellowing up on here, so I probably will toss this. I don't know if anyone else remembers these bags, but I know I definitely had one with an A on it. They were like really popular back in like the early 2000s. So, I mean, I know that style is coming back, so maybe I'll look and see. I know some people like the early 2000s looks, but I don't know. All right, we have a, this one's in kind of rough shape. This is Liberty of London for Target. I'm probably going to toss this one because the straps are like coming apart and they're all like yellow and dingy. So this one I'm going to toss. I don't know what this is. Are these donuts? What is this? 100% cotton made in India. but I don't see like a brand anywhere. So this one I might redonate to. It doesn't have any information on it. This is really old. This one I'm gonna be tossing too. The whole inside of it is like, it's all yellowing. This is just Stone Mountain. So yeah, that one, toss that. All right, this is another Stone Mountain. Just a brown leather bag. I don't know. It's not in bad shape or anything, but I just don't think that like Stone Mountain is a good brand. I think it's like Kohl's. So I'm not sure if this is sellable, but I'll put it in like a maybe pile and see how I feel. This is another Stone Mountain. This one looks pretty old, just like this. So again, I'll just toss these in like the whatever pile. Not really sure what to do with them. And the last one in this bag is, let's see here. This is just a Mossimo, like from Target. It's like a cloth. It's like a cloth bag. So this one I'll probably toss too to redonate, just because I don't want to waste my time listening it. And I probably wouldn't put this in like a mystery box. Well, my not so mystery box, just because I don't think this would sell for much, maybe $10. All right, and then the last bag for today. This one looks like it's mostly all Vera Bradley, just from looking at it. You can see a lot of floral prints. But like I said, I have no idea what's in them. Okay. Are these matching? These look like almost the same bag. It's like the same print. So this is like a tote bag. Again, these like Vera Bradley bags are in amazing condition. I don't even think the majority of them have even been used. Same with this one. I don't know if you guys can like see the inside, but like they're literally brand new. This woman didn't use these bags. I feel like she was just buying them and just, maybe she just like looking at them. I don't know. So many. Okay, just this one. Ooh, this one's actually really cute. It kind of reminds me of like a Lily Pulitzer print. I like this. And it also has like, it looks like that is like the newer label. So I do like that one. All right, so this one is more of like a plain. This one's just brown, or is that black? I can't tell if that's brown or black. These lights are like really bright. But this one also is like brand new, so it looks like you can use this strap, and it has an extra strap with it. This one, it's like another just a regular bag, Vera Bradley. This one looks brand new too. Like I said, these are all like brand new. These look like sets. Now that I'm looking at some of them, and I did see another bag that had wallets in it, so I'm wondering if some of these that have like as you can see, these are like double the same print. So I'm thinking they're like sets. So that's another reason why I want to wait until I'm done with the haul to build the boxes, because if these are sets, then I'd like to keep them together in a box and not separate them. Alright, so this is another Vera Bradley one. This one's cool. Okay, so it has like this heart. This is like brand new. I feel like that's like for the bottom of it to support. This almost looks like a laptop type of, I don't know, like the shape of it is kind of funny, but Yeah, this one's like brand new. Okay, this one's nice. I'm more of a plain person. I don't really like the super colorful stuff, so this is just a black quilted one. And again, I don't think this was ever used. They are all like brand new. Okay. Another Vera Bradley. This one also is in great condition. Alright, this one's Vera Bradley and it's like a shoulder bag. Just checking the insides too, just to see. Like I said, these are in great condition. Okay, so it looks like the bottom like can pop. Or it's, yeah, so it's like folded like this, but I don't know. Okay. Last one is this. Okay. Oh, this one's a cute print. So this one's like roses. Is that a butterfly? Yeah, so it has like a butterfly on it, and it's also has like 2 separate straps. And again, these are literally like brand new. So, wow. It's a lot of Vera Bradley bags. I feel like in just these 3 trash bags, I probably have about 25 to 30 purses. So I think I might have almost 100 purses that I got. Wow. So like I said, this is like very overwhelming for me. I don't really have the storage space to store bags. So yeah, I'm like so excited right now. I can't believe like I got all this stuff, like especially like for free. That's crazy. So yeah, that was fun. I can't wait to do the next one. Tomorrow I will do another 3 bags and unbag it for you guys here. Yeah, so wow. Sorry, I'm like speechless right now. I just can't believe that somebody just like gave this stuff to me for free. Like, I'm just super grateful. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and enjoy your week, guys. Get to listing. I've been slacking on listing recently just because of all the stuff that's been going on, but I think today I'm gonna try and knock out 20 listings, and you guys should do the same. Bye.